Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the video to your eBay listing. I have noticed that you will get more sales if you upload images with the video in the eBay listing when listing the product. That's why people trust more and they are likely going to buy the product if you upload the video. Now, as you can see, this product has only images and it's getting no sales, but the same product with the video, it's getting sales. So that means video play a bigger it has impact on how likely the product is going to get sales or not. Now, to upload the video, you just need to click on sell in the top right, and then you want to click on create listing. Now after that, after you click on create listing, you want to add here the title of the product. So I'm just going to add the random title here. I'm going to add this title. For example, this is just a random title, so they can show you how you can add video. Click on search, and then you want to add here new or all or used, whatever. After that, you want to scroll down. When you are now on the listing page, here it says here upload from computer. Now you just need to click on that and then find the video. Now after you find the video, click on it, and as you can see, it's uploading 1%, 3%, 4%. As you can see, the video is uploading. Video defaults, as you can see, position. The video is uploaded successfully. As you can see here, press and hold, drag it here. As you can see, video defaults to second position. So it's going to be second position because people will not be able to see the video first, but when they click on the image, they will be able to see the video of the product. Now you just need to add now images. Okay, you cannot add video only, you have to add images and the video. It's going to be in the second position, okay, as it says here, video defaults to second position. That's all you need to add the video to your eBay listing. Now after you add the video and add description, item specifications, then click on list it. That's exactly how you can add video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.